Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I ran a poll on Instagram to ask most of you guys what you all like to see, and the highest vote that I got is definitely how I curl my hair. So I am naturally born with a wavy hair, so it's straight from the top, it gets curly at the bottom. Today I'm going to guide you guys step by step how I curl my hair, and if you guys want to know how I curl my hair, then please continue watching. So what I've done for this video is I've straightened my hair. You want to go natural with your hair instead of using any kind of chemical spray. I mean, there's nothing wrong using chemical sprays or any kind of hair styling sprays. You can use it, but in the longer run, probably once a while you do it when you're going out for some function, for a dinner, it's okay. But then every day you just want to use something natural. What I'm doing now is I'm taking a good amount of my hair protein and putting it all over my hair, and I'm making sure that I'm putting at the ends more because this is where the heat is going to last way more longer. For some of you guys can use your hair oil as well for this step. Take few strands of my hair. I place the hair curler below. If you guys are gonna put it right on top like this, the curls are gonna start from the top. So what I do is I take my curler halfway through my hair and I turn them. So curling doesn't have to be neat, it's all about styling the way you like it, and curling has to be fun. If you guys love to have curly hair, just be fun with it. Still not touching the front of my hair yet because this would be the last section that we're going to work on. Your hair, you swing it out outwards, 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 outwards. Remember that mantra.